7 kilometers of Gaoshan, where the sounds of fierce combat continue tonight.
We're in the middle of a war, King. Between plants and Earth. Between coordinators and naturals.
So tell me, you're a coordinator?
Yes.
Catherine? Kira?
What are you doing with the Earth forces? You are a coordinator. You're one of us, Kira.
Catherine, what are you doing with Zerth? Why'd you get involved in a war?
Failure is not an option.
It's not that I want to fight. All I want to do is protect. Stop it!
I'm looking for a man who lives in this town.
What's the fuss about?
I have something I need to ask him. Ever heard of Genzo Araki?
Take your business elsewhere. Hey!
Excuse me, miss, are you alright?
I appreciate your rescuing my daughter from those kidnappers. How would you like to become my daughter's personal bodyguard?
That for me?
How'd you like to work for us?
Did you have anything to do with that shooting last night?
The head of the Gonzami group seems to think you were to blame for that incident.
If the police fail to bring Manakura to justice, we'll just have to do it ourselves.
I don't know who you are or what you're up to. Here's a little advice, my friend. If you're smart, you'll have the next train out of here.